Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making sure Winrar is installed and matches your OS. This avoids compatibility errors. Next, collect the large files into one folder so compression is focused and faster. Once done, pick an archive name, destination drive, and target size. This matters for split archives or storage limits. You should also clear temporary or lock files to prevent errors during compression, and make sure you have adequate free disk space before proceeding to compression options. You now configure compression. Right-click the folder and choose Add to Archive, then select RAR or RAR5 depending on compatibility needs. Adjust the compression method and dictionary size to balance speed versus compression larger dictionary for big, similar data. If files exceed storage limits, set split to volumes with your desired size. For many small or similar files, enable solid archive to improve ratios, and if data safety matters, add a recovery record so you can repair damaged volumes later. You finish by clicking OK and watching the progress dialog. Monitor CPU and disk activity because very large archives can take time. Once complete, make sure to use Winrar's test feature to verify archive integrity and confirm all parts are present when split. If you encounter errors, check for insufficient disk space, file locks, or antivirus interference, and then rebuild the archive with adjusted settings. Finally, keep one copy uncompressed until verification succeeds, so you can retry if anything goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.